Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo Yoga 720 15KB. This process can significantly improve your laptop's performance, especially if you multitask or run demanding applications. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to remove any external devices connected to your laptop. Now let's flip the device over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the RAM slots. The Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB typically has 2 slots, and you may find one or both occupied. If you're upgrading, you'll need to remove the existing RAM module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick away from it. The RAM will pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out carefully. Now take your new RAM module. Ensure it is compatible with your device. DDR4 is commonly used in this model. Align the notch on the RAM with the slot and insert it at a 30-degree angle. Once it's in place, press down firmly until the clips click back into position, securing the RAM. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal cooling and performance. Now it's time to replace the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, turn your laptop back over and power it on. To check if the RAM has been successfully installed, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here, you should see the new amount of RAM listed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded the RAM in your Lenovo Yoga 720 15IKB. This simple upgrade can make a significant difference in your laptop's performance, allowing you to enjoy a smoother and more efficient computing experience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.